Good evening, friends. I'm Bob. This is 25 Plus Life. There's no Carrie here. She's hiding behind the cameras. It's just you and me. We are in the Plus Life cottage, and I bet you're wondering, what's he doing now with another box from RecPro? Let me tell you, if you got a chance to check out the power recliner review that we did, I'm going to tell you, it's a teeny tiny video because RecPro made it really simple. Go ahead and check that out. We'll leave a link for it somewhere down at the bottom, at the back end, at the end of the video somewhere. These are quality items. This here is another one they sent. RecPro reached out to us because of you guys, and I want to give a big thank you to all of you who watched our unboxing and installation video for our RecPro Charles reclining sofa. So much of you guys had reached out and purchased things through the affiliate link there. That RecPro reached out to us and said, hey, we noticed that you guys aren't traveling so much anymore. You're doing your eBay thing and you're reselling online. But the two leather chairs that you had, or pleather chairs that we had in here, they didn't feel was good enough for a man of my stature. So they sent us some nice chairs. We're under no obligation to give them a positive review, but I gotta tell you, it's kind of hard to find anything wrong with these guys. RecPro is predominantly known for making RV furniture. Which is how we know of them, because we spent about $1,100 for our sofa out in our RV, and we absolutely love it. And we had done a video just because when we were looking for ours, there wasn't much around, and that's kind of how we got messed up in this, or mixed up in this. RecPro makes this furniture that is so easy for different settings, not only inside the RV, but if you have a tiny house, you have a cottage like we do, some kind of small apartment studio, something like that. Awesome alternative to, let's call it what it is, some of the junky stuff that we've seen at IKEA. We were looking for stuff in here for ourselves, and when RecPro reached out, we had actually just come from an IKEA, and I gotta say I wasn't impressed. So at any rate, I'm going to open this up. This here is, again, the swivel recliner. RecPro makes it pretty simple. They pack pretty easy. It comes in a couple of pieces. There's really not a whole lot to have to think about when doing this. We're going to just pop this out of the box, and we'll take it from there. So right off the bat, this is packed right on top of one another, just like our other pieces. This is in the color of oatmeal. They have two choices. One's oatmeal, which matches the furniture in our RV perfectly. And the other one was a grayish color, I believe. Like a, was kind of like a slate gray. We chose to go with this here. And yeah, from here, we're just going to pop this out. I'm probably going to fast forward some of this. It says not to use a knife, but I find out when it's one person trying to get these out of the box, sometimes that bottom piece in there pretty tight. But they do reinforce the edges of the strip there. So I kind of use that. And you almost watch me take out my chin. Take that. And just like that. Again, they don't recommend using a knife on these, but I find that sometimes it does necessary. So we're just going to pop this out. This is, again, a Swivel Glider Rocker base, so it's a little bit different. And I'm going to have you guys hold on one second. I'm going to get rid of this box so that I'm not crunching and snapping everywhere. So we'll come in and we'll finish the rest of this up. Alright, so here we are, we're back. I'm going to take off this little furniture sleeve. This here is what the missus likes. She likes to swivel and rock. I don't argue. I'm more of a reclining guy. Again, right here, it has the tracks in it. This is easy as pie. I don't know how easy pie is, but this is easy as pie. You pop these in the tracks, just like that. You hear a little snap. That's all there is to it. On the back, you have a little, the access panel here has a little Velcro. You just kind of fold that over. Keeps it all neat and tidy. And then from here, we're going to put this right up against other one. And we're going to take a look at this. And I'm going to see if I can get my rock on. Oh, look at that. You can recline. Well, it swivels, it reclines. This thing does everything. Wow. It has. Yeah, this is pretty legit. There we go. I'm not a swivel rocker kind of guy. That's more of the missus. But wow, that's like really comfy. You're sitting and you're sliding, and you're sliding and gliding, just like Grandma and Grandpa on the front porch. And it's a rocker. So whether you want to rock and roll all night or you want to glide all day, that's right. I wrote a kiss on that somewhere. I'll just edit that out. But this is again really nice for perspective. I'm 6'2". I'm a big guy. This is not a tiny chair. It's very comfortable. And like I said, I'm not normally a rocking chair kind of guy, but this is pretty good. Yeah. So I gotta say, friends, now that I've had a moment to collect myself and ponder this, I gotta say this is a nice little set. And this is perfect for any kind of place where you don't want to get in a full-on lazy boy. And you also want to take a nap at the same time. Just pop it back. I probably should pull it a little away from the wall. This is nice. Really nice. I like it. A big thumbs up to RecPro. We want to thank them for sending this down. We're going to keep this as part of our set here. So you get to see how it holds up to our lifestyle and the rigors that we put this furniture through. That's it. That's the review. That's the Swivel Rocker Glider. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. Check us out next time. If you get a chance, leave a little comment in the bottom there. I'd like to know what you think. Where am I missing that these could go? I'm thinking cottages, tiny houses, RVs.
Apartments.
There's a voice from the great beyond.
Hello.
Saying apartments. Let me know where you would put these. And yeah, if you're interested in picking up any of these chairs or anything from RecPro, there is a link in the video description. I believe it will give you 5% off just through going through our link. It's a way of saying thank you from us, and more importantly from RecPro, for watching these videos. Until next time, thank you.